today's payment systems, two things. How do they help customer satisfaction? And number two, operational efficiency. Because I think those are the two things you're trying to accomplish with whether it's a payment system or a business management system. How do they take care of those two aspects of the business, the customer and the operations?
Yeah, well, I mean, I kind of touched on it a little bit, is
Yeah.
that we're a convenience business.
Mhm.
What I like to say is let's not get in the way of the customer doing laundry. Sometimes we get really excited with all the technology and the fancy
Mhm.
devices that we can introduce, but if we get in the middle of someone trying to do their wash and end up being a problem for them, or make it too complicated, it's an issue, and it's kind of counterproductive to what we're doing. So I think, we have to make sure it remains a convenience, and it has to be easy. And so offering the customer the ways they want to pay is how you deliver that. So, if someone just wants to walk up and tap their credit card, then let them tap their credit card. If
Mhm.
they want to use their mobile device, then let them just walk up and use their mobile device.
Mhm.
We don't necessarily have to force them to do things the way we want them to do things, as operators or as manufacturer. So that's really important. And then, from an efficiency perspective, everything we do that encourages a retail customer to do something other than coin becomes an efficiency. And I think we do that obviously through collections. There's less to collect from a coin perspective. The auditability is really important because you can now set up management to collect for you and not have concerns about money disappearing, and issues that might be associated when you have employees collecting for you. And then, once you have this technology in the store, you can add additional things to add efficiency. You can have time card systems that are all integrated. You can have employee management features like task management, scheduling,
Right.
employee scheduling. They can be all kind of tied in, which are things that typically are done manually on a whiteboard or punch cards for time and things like
Mhm.
that. We can kind of integrate all of that together into a kind of a unified solution, and that's kind of some of the innovation that we've brought to our products that I think will just continue to grow. So
Mhm.
so yeah.